not letting me.
मीटिंग थी बन गई आ रही है अभी नहीं बोल रहे ना तो वही
Okay, finally. Yeah, do you see my screen?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so basically, I want to do rather than objectives and tasks, I made a page in Startup OS and Program OS that it's called Favorites tab. Favorites tab is basically a database that has what do you call it? The specific databases I want in my homepage. So this page that I showed you just before will be the one here. So rather than having one dedicated objectives and task tracker or leads or anything else, having one unified page, which is going to be a synced block that is going to show the favorite databases I want to be visible in the home page.
Okay, so which databases you want to show in favorite?
Yes, exactly. I will show you here. Where is it? Just a minute. Yes, let me copy these for you. Startup. So these are the ones. So these are the ones basically going to have a view here.
Okay, I'll add it. And
Okay.
for the home dashboard, should I delete all the views?
No. Only this one.
Okay,
Only this one.
objective and task.
Because as you can see, this one is only objectives and tasks. Even in program, it's only objectives and tasks. Let me show you. Yeah, only objectives and tasks. So I'm thinking of a new approach, which is basically favorites. Where did I put it now? I think in favorites, right? Yeah. Only these view. And this will correspond to program. So now I have added for you guys these views or these databases views for startup. I'll just write for program OS that which ones will be viewed in the program. Let me just review it. And for the second thing, do you see this page? I'm going to give you access, of course, okay? This page has a form of filling. So I want you to guys for, let me put a new tab. Here, let me show you. Okay. In Program OS, every founder has a profile. This is his profile. So every founder, let's say we will push this. He has attendance, he has grades, he has multiple things. For a founder to be added, I want you guys to review this one and see these properties. First name, last name, email, LinkedIn profile, location, introduce myself. So introduce myself, well, basically he has to put a brief information here and education schools, basically text properties, as you can see here. So basically just do this form, so profile, and what is there is a second, just a minute. Yes, and this is, yeah, and from here, 1, 2, 3. So these inputs, just please guys put it in the form.
Okay, I'll put this.
Yeah, so basically I will show you here. I have, just a minute. In the web, it's very slow other than the application. Yeah, okay, startups, yeah, application portal. Here is a form. So this is the founder. He has properties. So basically these are the properties. I just want you to put it in profile. Wow, it's very slow. Guys, let's start because this is loading so much. I'll just organize it for you. Can we just start for now for favorites? And keep in mind that there is a form adjustment. So for now, these two, and we'll go from there.
Yeah, sure.
So how much do you think for these two to do it?
Okay, Abdurrahman, we understand. So I am sending you my Upwork profile link. So you just drop a message on Upwork, and I will send you offer. Just wait for a second.
Yeah, I think I have one. Just a minute. This one.
Yes, I can send you again.
Do you see my page?
Let me check out. Yes, we can see.
Yeah, this. I think this is your page. Just a little bit loading. This one.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Just
So
drop
just
yes,
yeah.
just drop a message. I will send you offer. So accept it. Then we will start, and we'll log our time according to Upwork time tracker.
Yeah. Sure. Can you show me how can I send you a message?
Invite air find. Go on about section. Even you can hire me, Drake. Click the hire button. And fill up this form like a Notion expert something.
Okay.
Yes.
I'll do it now.
Okay, we are waiting.
Okay. Can you just send me your code here in WhatsApp so I can send you the offer?
Can you repeat again?
Can you send me how much does this cost so I can send you the offer? Because I have to put it here.
Okay, Abdurrahman, but by the way, we want to work with you long term, so we wish early contract will be suitable. So when you need anytime help, so you will just drop your requirement, and we will do that, and we will log our time according to Upwork time tracker.
Yeah, but for this phase, Ijaz, I prefer fixed, as my colleagues and partners are a little bit worried that because some capabilities, when we finish with the templates similar to Zapier and N8N, we want to see if someone is an expert there, and we want an actual verified Notion expert or consultant. Because I tried to see your account, or I think Muhammad's account. There are no certifications from Credily. Do you know Credily website?
Yes, we know already. I have certified through Candly, and we are offering Notion of services last 4 years and built 300 plus template. So we are confident and we can deliver according to your recommendation, according to your requirement. Don't worry about the result.
Okay. Because I need to show, because I only want the link for your Credily account that you are expert or Khizr or any one of